In this video we'll see how we can install this cool terminal HTTP client, which is similar to Postman but designed to work entirely within a terminal with a TUI. It supports various HTTP methods like get, post, put, etc. It handles authentication, can manage request collection. Users can send requests asynchronously. We can have pre and post scripts and also store data locally in JSON or YAML file. It works best for developers who need an offline cross-platform and lightweight API client without graphical user interface or GUI, and best part, it's free. So the installation is quite easy. You need Homebrew for that. If you don't have Homebrew, please check this attached video, or you can just search Homebrew installation video on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. For this, you need to open your terminal. In terminal, you have to type this simple command. You can copy it from description. Again, if you don't have Homebrew, just find out Homebrew installation on my channel. Now we have run this command successfully. We will try to run a pre-install ATAC command. So it's actually installing the ATAC package, and you can see here that I have got an error saying that we don't have Xcode, and we'll have to run Xcode, select install. Just copy and paste this over here. This dialog will open with license agreement. Accept this agreement and installation for Xcode will start. It will take some time. Now let's retry our command for brew installation. Brew install ATAC, and installation has started and completed quite fast. It will be quick. We will check if ATAC is set up. For that, I will run simple help command ATAC -help. It seems that you can see that ATAC is installed, but when I try to run, I get an error that there's no binding file. So we have to pass a parameter -d. So I will just create a quick directory. You can use any existing folder or just pass in a new directory which you created, like me. This directory will maintain logs and stuff related to all processing of this ATAC. Alright, the ATAC terminal is started now. Cool. Now ATAC is on your terminal. We will create a new collection by clicking N and give some name to this collection. After you create collection, use arrow key and you can see the test ATAC is highlighted. My collection is highlighted when I click down arrow. I will once again click N to create a request and give some name to your request. So this will be your API request, similar to the request which we create in Postman. Yeah, so once request is created, I just want to show you once again. Click N and you get two options, collection or request. We created request. Down arrow and you see the screen, and you see like row X is the URL text box. You have to click U. Now I will just copy one URL from my Postman for testing purpose. Copy and paste it on our TUI like ATAC. And to send this request, we have to use spacebar as it's mentioned here on the bottom. That's it. It's a cool feature. So you can see after spacebar there's a response. Thank you.